What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently June 16th and we crashed out today. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a very rough day. We blew one funded account right here, as you can see. We blew one, and then the other funded account we are up 520, but I do not deserve it, and they probably are not gonna even pay me out because I literally full ported, and I'm so mad. These are the exact days that are holding me back from profitability, and I seriously don't know what to do. I keep having these days. Also, you can see I bought so many Apex evals. I blew all of these besides two, so I passed two more fundeds, but I seriously just crashed out today, and I can show you right here on this Apex. Let me show you the execution. So I took one loss in the morning. Well, not in the morning, like after 11. This was my loss right here. And then I just full on crashed out. As you can see with all the executions, I was literally in with 60 micros at one point. On this account, same thing. I was literally in with 60 micros. So even if I get this account to a payout, they're probably going to deny me. So I'm so pissed with myself. I seriously just didn't even want to make this video. I don't even want to talk about it, but I'm keeping it transparent. This is the raw reality of day trading. This first loss wasn't a bad loss, but once again, we're just stuck on the 1 minute time frame. Like, if I scale out, there was an SMT here. I got put into place, and then we inversed a 3 minute fair value gap. Cleared all my drawings. I was just so mad. I literally went on tilt. And let me mute this real quick. We got a 3 minute inversion here once we closed below here. And then we rebalanced, put in this SMT. We got another inversion. And then we came back up, filled this little volume imbalance, and got another change in state. And I entered, we chopped around, and just pumped right out of that. It is a trade that I would take again, and I would take this loss. This first loss, I was only literally down like 170 bucks. Like, I should have been done. I don't know why I didn't just stop, dude. I should have just stopped. I should have just been done. But instead, I entered longs. I saw the volume. There was no even confirmation on longs anywhere. I entered with 15 micros and then kept scaling in, hoping it would go up and I'd make my profit back. And as you can see, it went up, but I made a little bit and then I lost a little bit, and it was just so dumb, bro. I don't even know what I was doing. I literally just was clicking buttons on my funded accounts that I could be making money with. This account was up 800 bucks and I blew it. And then this account up 530 because I took this right after. Like, I went on tilt here and then I waited a little and went on tilt again. After all of this, I was up on the account and I went back and like, I don't even know what to say. Like, this is just stupidness of me to even do that. After my first loss, I should have just been done, but it is what it is. I can't do anything about it now, but I have to move forward and be better from this. I really have to. And any of you guys that are in the same situation, you keep buying fundeds, you get so close to passing or getting a payout. Like, look right here, I'm consistent with it. It's just a 1 day 549, 0, 24, break even day, down 120, good loss, 330, 0, 670, 120, 137, good loss, 501 or 511, another good win. This loss was a bad loss because of the spread. I meant to only lose 300 bucks, but I literally got cooked that day. But as you can see, like, my risk management is on point for 10 days, and then it's just 1 day where I go on tilt and it loses all my progress. Like, I'm not even going to be able to withdraw a payout. Like, I'm going to try taking a payout once I make 500 more bucks. If I make 500 more bucks, I need to get this to 2,600. I could take 500 bucks. I'm just going to try to take 500 bucks to, hold up, this car's, I'm at the Tesla charger and this guy does not know how to park. But I hope this stops happening because I really need to move out. And I am moving out Wednesday, actually, to go live with my aunt for a little bit in North Carolina. I'm moving out of my hometown, and I'm going to be touring some apartments. But if I can't make money trading, like, I'm going to have to pick up a job, and I really don't want to have to pick up a job. But I might need to pick up a bartending job, and that's going to slack with content and mix. But once I get my own apartment, I'm fully on the grind. I'm locked in. Like, my trading is locked in. I feel like I can read the markets fairly well right now. It's just like the days where I take a loss, I need to be done with taking a loss. I just need to be done and not trade after I take a loss and step away. That's my hard part, is being able to take a loss. I feel like I can read the markets very well. You guys know I can read the markets very well. I know I can read the markets very well. I take good trades a lot of the time. It's just the one day when I take a loss, I can't step away, and that's been my issue for my whole entire trading journey so far. It's just like, ever since I felt like I got the strategy down, it's like I take a loss and my loss is fat. But sometimes, as you can see here, I manage my loss. 120, 137, those are good losses. 320 and 500, those were fat losses. They only should have been 300 bucks. But spread, that was a couple of videos back if you want to go watch that video. And then this is the thing, we lose an account and we blow in a funded, and then we buy 10 Apex accounts because they're just so cheap, and then we're spending 30. Each of these was 30 bucks. 30, 60, 90. I'm not doing the math right now, but I'd probably spent 200 bucks on evals right here and only passed 2, and then I'm gonna have to spend another 280 to activate. I just spent 500 bucks on 2 fundeds, and if I can't get a payout from those 2 fundeds, then there's like, the ROI is negative. Like, I'm losing money. And that's the thing, like, I could get payouts, but I'm spending so much money on evals. Like, if I get a $2,000 payout, I'm gonna be spending probably $500 on evals just to get that payout. Like, I'm just spending so much more on fundeds because I keep having these days where I blow them, and it's just not a good cycle at all. But can't do anything about it now. We got to move forward. I have 3 fundeds, I guess, now. This one's up 2,000. I'm just gonna literally copy trade all of them, and we are moving out in 2 days, so we really got to make something happen. And I'm probably gonna have to pick up a job, to be honest. I'm low on capital. I have no help right now. I have all my car payment. I got bills to pay, and I'm not making enough from trading right now. Just keeping it completely transparent. I might need to pick up like a bartending or a serving job. It is what it is, but I gotta keep moving forward, keep grinding. Trading is hard, man. Let me show you guys my payouts so you guys know I get payouts, because I haven't even showed this. But here's all my payouts with Apex. I got payouts from other firms too, but like, I've been denied a lot as well. I've been denied 4 times from Apex, and I'm probably going to get denied again with this one. But those denials are because I risk too much sometimes. I take a loss and then I risk too much. All these denials are because I went in with too much size and it played out in my way. And it's not good. It's not a good cycle. Like, I just feel like I'm profitable, but I'm also like not profitable at the same time, because I have these days. Like, profitable traders don't have these days. So it's really holding me back, but that's going to be it for this video. Little trade recap. It wasn't the worst trade. This first trade wasn't bad. Like, hold on, let me go. This was on eval. This first trade wasn't a terrible trade, but it's like there was no clear delivery, and on the higher time frame we were chopped. So it wasn't the worst trade on the 1 minute, but on the higher time frame, I was trying to guess the reversal on a 1 minute time frame. I should have waited for more 5 minute confirmation. And honestly, I should have just not traded today. I should have hopped off after this huge expansion move off open that there was no real entry for. We moved almost 200 points at open. I should have just hopped off the charts once I seen that. There's no real trade after that. That was the move for the day. You know, as you can see, it's 1 o'clock now. And all we done after that trade, let me remove my executions. All we done after that trade, or after that move, was really just consolidate. Like, we're stuck in this 60 point range for almost 3 hours, 2.5 hours now. This was the move of the day. After this move, I should have been done. But it is what it is. We took a loss and we blew an account, but we can't go back now. All we can do is move forward. I don't even know what I'm going to name this video, but I told my Discord, pretty rough day. Another one of these days, man. Just got to keep our head up, keep grinding. And yeah, hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the journey. Today was rough and I'm still mad, but I'm about to get a great fucking lift in. But anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.